Now AM made the 3 days next year. Somebody de-congestion exercise.
3 days.
3 days.
Now GDP set pass. Okay, a J-Sowa. The former mayor.
The former mayor, yeah.
Okay, no.
Yeah. We can't apply.
Or by the within the first 3 months, decongestion. That was he saying. And that about your voice, or better menka. When I am
but I was if I found come back to somewhere 2010. Ah, yeah, decongestion exercise ni be a happen in any senior ekosi ye. The year 2010, mid 2010, somewhere July 2010. AMA Force Air Force in Crawford ma free about 120,000 street traders. Ewo baby as say I see Octagon. Ewa Accra Central no hotel hon. Yeah.
You have worked this way back 2010.
Yeah, 2020.
Yeah.
Na AMA 2010. Omo Air Force in Crawford mo free because no be see Octagon no ho. Emma and also about 1,200 stores. Emma omu tu omu nyina efiri ho. Now the reason tia no mo yes an say no person mu clean pavement no any streets of the central business district one especially Novotel Park Honey Kimbu Circle no, to improve traffic and safety and enable a major real estate project which is the Octagon. And impact in is about 1,500 mostly female no, vendors were uprooted. Emo transport omo ba odona circle have a ball eja emo na omo chire mu say baby omo de ba na say omo free omo main marketing center say baby anomo Accra center
na
bi omo abo odona ntina say omo to omo gukura ntema eja be ye bibia ho according to them. 2021 so ebi ko so sa in early 2021, government no targeting unauthorized development along railway lines. Ewo Odona Honso ni other part of the way. Na no railway authorities for no, and the directly AMA say omo demolish sa squatter structures ne wo ho ni nyina. No mo ka say about 100 feet of structures, 100 feet. Structures bent railway about 100 feet ni nyina. Omo nyina fi. Ano na yewura siwa no ye AMA boss Oyera Vanderpool onuna odi sa adene yeah down the D segment na nienta no mo yenyanza no mo person mo clear illegal settlement along the Ghana Railway right off from Accra Central to Kaneshie to facilitate a rail project ongoing and no na omo ye 2023 so 2013 sorry and also in January 2013 sa AMA renewing its congestion effort in downtown Accra. Emma assembly nenso 2 weeks. Emma 2 weeks is what the catchre omo honey say. Omo vacate somewhere around Kwame Nkrumah Circle and then adjoining market no. Honso na Yera Vanderpool in the D sa ade nanim. Na niente omo koye ni nyina say no so no mo person omo remove street stores and encroachment around circle interchange and the central business district to improve road capacity and sanitation. And also so see about 2017 so the same thing AMA so yeah the same thing decongestion exercise on 10th August 2017 Emma and also omo ye decongestion exercise and no targeting areas be to say the entire CBG, that is the central business district, you know, Kaneshie area, market area, Mala Machimota, N1 highway, no so, and part of Kokumpi, Odoko Kwashima Road, Nima Highway, Agbobulusha, Kwame Nkrumah Circle, interchange, you know, a whole omo ye decongestion exercise maybe in 2017. Now the reason why they were doing that, and they say almost a citywide preparation for decongestion, you know, covering downtown Accra and major market thoroughfares. So the goal was to restore obstructed pavement are now omajabos were not nipenya baby fa omunya baby enantenum and also omukoye sa decongestion exercise ni bi ewo ho ye ba 2018 so January 2018 almost say decongestion exercise ni sa ama omoye ma ekrom eda ho and also enipa movie from baby no omo firi omo no mo ton ade okwan ho ene omo no mo agi pavement na fa ni nyina omunyina AMA yes ha exercise no edit to enkrofo efiri ho na ye ba 2025 nedie ya AMA a launch new one na no mo starting Now phase 1 na 20th May no almost started with phase 1. They are going to have 3 phases actually. So phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Internet and almost started phase 1. Now phase 1 the target areas yes normal de-congestion exercise no. AMA office around AMA office Kimbu Road, ECG Junction, the Kintakiteria statue around them, Zongo Lane, Opera Square, and Adabraka. Internet phase 1 no normal omoniatre.
Sure.
De-congestion exercise no. Phase 2 now 21st May no. Ebe cover areas business Watu Junction course through UTC Cow Lane, Timber Market, and part of Circle, including Las Palmas and the Glamour Road. And the phase 2 no. And now phase 3 near last day, the 22nd May no. And so hitting remaining Circle sections at Kaneshi Ho baby, Pamprom Lane and Key Foot Bridge areas. And the traders know warning on the 15th May in a press statement by the AMA say Omosha no more vacating Sanya Beya de-congestion exercise no ebe koso kama. Na yara challenges ne considerations bia say AMA de-congestion aya omo face any considerations are almost taken into place. Bakuya reoccupation of cleared areas.
Yeah.
Reoccupation. Everyone wa omakoye de-congestion na wie na omapam nkrofo free ho no na omamo baby atena no. Still now within some few months we won't say nkrofo assign abebo dwaketekete almost starting nketenkete but no the idea besu aketekete where obehu ana ho assign adane area omoton nyema ohobim and a provision of alternative trading space. The success of the de-congestion initiative is partly contingent on providing traders with viable alternative locations. And also one of the considerations and our challenges are AM sometimes omukom and our stakeholders engagement. See, 2025 year AMA who say AMA any the people involved market traders etnase eka exercise ne nyama na omo be ni nyina achrom enti eno no na AMA now in conclusion yebeka say over the 15 years period from 2010 to now, AMA has undertaken a lot of de-congestion exercise with varying degrees of success.
Great.
And also, but why are this initiative has led to improvement in the urban mobility and sanitation? Challenges persist in maintaining all these ones. And you call Facebook, you for any actual for Facebook, the pictures ni biagu the pictures ne nyama bia betimi de-congestion exercise ni bi enti yamomamo AMA adwuma mo ye ne no
why there
no mo kurum nyefe sa ne ensuo kokurum a betimi anante correct ayenya congestion
good
enti prof awia research team ne de bedom ye tie
me that was say but Abochi's voice to aso
that's right.